Looking for a freehold masterpiece that embodies luxury and lifestyle for you and your loved ones?
We have the answer just for you. Today, we are at Hyll On Holland, a luxurious new development right in the Prime District. Over here, you and your family will flourish, and it's definitely a lasting gift for generations due to its freehold status.
Hyll On Holland is located at the Prime District 10, considered to be the creme de la creme of landed homes, the GCB enclaves. You are just minutes away from Singapore Botanic Gardens, Dempsey Hill, and the ever-popular Holland Village.
Yes, the cosmopolitan mix of cafes, restaurants, artisan bakeries create a lively ambience that makes you look forward to coming home every wonderful moment with your loved ones.
Being close of Mediopolis, Biopolis, that you can enjoy the luxury connectivity. Getting to work is a breeze and definitely a plus point for investors knowing that there are global professionals in these growth sectors.
More than work and play, this locale is home to numerous reputable schools. ACS, Nanyang Primary, Hwa Chong International are all within a 2-kilometer radius.
A stylish entrance awaits you the moment you enter the arrival court. Hyll On Holland is designed like an art piece. The unique architecture draws inspiration from a blossoming flower. The clubhouse is the social heart of the development to bond and entertain in style.
Every unit is tastefully designed with functionality and glamour in mind. From quality fittings to smart home features, it is curated to serve your modern lifestyle and your daily needs.
What I like about Hyll On Holland is the 5 distinct blocks that only houses 4 units on a single floor, which gives privacy to the discerning ones. Enjoy good space with 5.4 meters wide side-by-side living and dining. The 2-bedroom show flat features a layout rarely seen in this market, featuring a landscape living room and L-shaped kitchen with windows, which will definitely be a choice unit for both investors and homestayers alike.
The units are also decked out with premium fittings from Miller, Duravit, and Hans Grohe, which definitely complements your distinctive taste. Thoughtful design of mirror storage cabinets are provided for your daily needs.
Hyll On Holland has too much to offer, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this new launch.
Call your preferred OrangeTee agents today and be the proud owner of this hidden gem in District 10.
See you at Hyll On Holland.